Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what I did to clean my aluminum wheels. This is 2 coats. I used muriatic acid, and I bought this today, and these couple brushes and gloves. And actually this wheel I didn't even use the brushes on, and this is what it looked like before. I didn't even clean the wheel first. Probably would have been better, but right now I'm going to show you how well it works. What you need is the acid, brushes, I suggest, gloves, spray bottle with the acid in it, and then water. And you'll spray the wheels. So, as you can see, we use this wheel right here. Both of these are dirty, but we'll use the back one. And spray it down. Now this stuff is very chemically and you do not want to breathe it. So I'm going to step back, but wait about 30 seconds and you'll spray it down with water after. You can see it's taking. I suggest having a mask, but we'll let that, we'll get the water ready. Grab the water. Oops. Pick up this bottle. Alright, probably been about 30 seconds. We'll spray it off here. I'll show the pressure washer on, but just for noise sake and so you guys can hear it won't. But now that's just one spray down. Usually do a few and it'll clean stuff off. But we got that compared to what it did used to look like, which was very similar to this one. And it's not just dirt. I mean, it really does a pretty good job cleaning it. Nah, thanks for watching.